This episode of My Two Satoshis is brought to you by Plutus Wallet. Do you have a crypto trading strategy you want to test out risk-free? Well, try it out with Plutus Wallet. Plutus Wallet casually teaches you cryptocurrency trading or the ability to test your own strategy. Learn to combine the best coins, create and collect profitable portfolios, and manage them all to the top. Install the Plutus Wallet from Google Play or Apple Store and use my referral code that you see on the screen to receive 100 Plutus Coins as a bonus. This bonus only applies to Google Play Android apps. The Plutus Wallet, your chance to become a winner in the world of cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, aka 13K Blood, $13,000 Bitcoin. We rocking out to some feel-good music today. Welcome to another episode, people. My Two Satoshis. Shout out to my man Alpha One out there on YouTube for the song request today. Flying Lotus featuring Anderson .Paak. This is a very good song, man. I like this. Never heard it, but real good vibes. Real good vibes. And I hope it's good vibes out your way, people. Welcome to another episode. We're going to be talking about this $13,000 Bitcoin we're seeing on the scoreboard right now. Bitcoin is up over 20% in 24 hours. Insane. I told you yesterday, hey, when you have thinly traded markets, a little money can go a long way and can move the price a lot. Jaw-dropping price moves we're seeing in Bitcoin right now. Again, as I stated, up 20%, more than 20% in the last 24 hours. We almost touched 14,000. Gonna have to change that name again by tomorrow. Well, so we'll take a look at the chart on Bitcoin. But as far as the articles for today, we're going to look at Coinbase Pro listing Ethereum-based Chainlink after the Google name drop. So it looks like now you're able to trade Chainlink on Coinbase Pro. If it follows the pattern of other coins listed on Coinbase Pro, it will probably be on Coinbase's app, the consumer side, in the near future as well. Also, self-proclaimed Bitcoin creator Craig Wright to take the stand in the Kleeman lawsuit. This is what I call delusions of grandeur. Can't wait to see the outcome of this one. He may be going to jail over this situation here, lying about and falsifying documents in this case. Can't wait to see what happens with this. We're going to take a look at that. And then lastly, Binance is rolling out Bitcoin margin trading to all users except U.S. citizens, right? Because we can't trade there in about 90 days. But for everyone else, you will be able to enjoy margin trading on Binance. So that's the last article out of Decrypt Media. Let's take a look at this market cap and heat map. Oh my gosh, 20%, almost 21% Bitcoin is up in one day. Insane. Ethereum is up 17%. I'm most shocked about Ethereum because I'm telling you guys, there's no real utility for this utility token. But we're seeing it go up with Bitcoin. There seems to be some type of correlation there with those two. If Ethereum is going to be heavily used as a futures mechanism, as a futures trading asset, which I think there have been many rumors about it being that, then its role may change and its pricing may be more dependent on, the action and speculative aspect of futures trading. So if that's going to be the case, then no, it is not going to $30 or below. But I still think we're going to see lower prices with Ethereum eventually, once the market realizes, if and only if the market doesn't recognize it as a speculative asset primarily. Like if most of the pricing of Ethereum is because of futures trading, then that's out the window. I can't say that we're going lower. But if the original intent for the Ether token is manifested, then I don't see the utility need and demand there for this particular token. So I see lower prices. But we'll have to see how the market dictates what the outcome of this coin or token will be. EOS is up 5%, Bitcoin Cash up 9%, and Litecoin up 3.2%. Overall, though, the global market cap is at $386 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is way high, 63%. Insane. So I just want to make this clear, though, regarding the dominance on Bitcoin right now. I see in the near future a heavy rotation out of Bitcoin. People are going to start taking profits and you will start to see select altcoins start to really move aggressively. I'm talking 30, 40, 50% moves in the altcoin market. Now, it's not going to be all altcoins. We're entering into altcoin season 3.0. So I think it's going to look even different than the previous altcoin run up. We'll have to see. That's just my gut feeling. I think you'll see select coins do well. Binance, EOS, Litecoin, Ethereum's already pegged, so I think you're probably going to see a little capital rotation out of Ethereum as well with Bitcoin, since it seems like they are now kind of correlating pretty tightly there. But you're going to see select coins, in my opinion, do very well over the next few months. We've got Omisa go up for whatever reason, 24% today as well at $2.99. I think you're going to see a heavy rotation out of Bitcoin and Ethereum into some of these select altcoins. We'll have to see which ones are blessed, but just know things don't go up forever, and we will see a rotation out of Bitcoin and Ethereum into some of these select altcoins. Some things though do go down forever. PPT, oh my god, the chat rooms are going crazy about PPT. Wow, look at this, down. It's down something like 30% versus Bitcoin, and like nearly 30% versus Ethereum. This is just, priced in dollars as far as it being down 8% today, but it's in a free fall. I told you guys, leave this coin alone a while ago. It's on its way to 60 cents, and then I think even sub 2 cents, just based on token economics changes. They've changed the token economics on this particular coin, and I heard there were some more changes as well. I'm not too sure about the details of it, but I heard there were more changes on this coin in the last couple of days. So it's going to bleed out, in my opinion. I think we're going to see 2-3 cent populace here in the near future. I know all the haters going to hate. I don't really care. I'm just warning you. You still got a chance to at least get some of your coins back. And of course, that's only if things stay how they are with their token economics. If they change and pivot and they start to actually gain a momentum, then the narrative changes. You can't predict the future. I'm just going on the past and giving you my assessment on it. But I just wanted to highlight this because the chat rooms, the webbot room is going crazy over this populist token, and I thought I would touch on it really quickly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the technical analysis on Bitcoin. And as you see right now, we're in the middle of a huge sell-off in Bitcoin. I couldn't even go back on the 1 hour to see where the next resistance level was. But if I zoom in, you will see it did react to my line here at 12,700. We did get a pullback, but then it rallied again higher there. So this right here, though, people, is a pretty bearish signal if we hold this candle. We've got another 20 minutes before the next candle formation. So let's see what happens on the next candle and see if this is going to hold. If it does, this is very bearish. But I think that this should now possibly be the top of this pennant, should now be a area of support. So we've got $11,200 Bitcoin should be an area where some of the bulls will come in and start bidding up the markets again. And then if not, we're going to revert back to the trend line here, this trend line right here. So we'll just have to see what happens, and I'll keep an eye out on it for you. But the first article for today is out of News BTC. Coinbase Pro lists Ethereum-based Chainlink after Google name drop. Despite the fact that crypto assets are bleeding out against Bitcoin, the Ethereum-based Link or Chainlink has recently received the support of Coinbase. This comes amid a Bitcoin move to $13,400, marking a 333% rally from the cycle bottom of 3150. Announced on Wednesday via a blog post, Coinbase Pro, the startup's cryptocurrency exchange for professional traders, will soon be listing Link. Per the announcement, starting around an hour ago, the platform will start accepting inbound deposits of the Ethereum token once sufficient supply of the Link is established on Coinbase-owned wallets and 12 hours of depositing has elapsed. Coinbase will commence trading for the asset. Trading will take place against US dollars and Ethereum and the asset on Coinbase Pro will be supported in all jurisdictions the exchange is available in, except New York State due to regulatory concerns. Despite this listing, however, Link is down in the past 24 hours. In fact, according to CoinMarketCap, the cryptocurrency is down 1.2% and down nearly 20% against the market leader, Bitcoin. This confirms this outlet's previous reports, which revealed that by and large, so-called Coinbase listing effect is dead. I agree that it's been dead. And if you guys do recall, I did talk about Google giving big props to Chainlink and them kind of working with it. The news comes hot on the heels of a statement of support for the project from Google, per previous reports from NewsBTC. Google Cloud, the firm's cloud computing services platform, released an article titled Building Hybrid Blockchain Cloud Applications with Ethereum and Google Cloud. While this was big news in and of itself, the crypto community focused on the article's mention of Chainlink, which is focused on facilitating data from the internet to be translated to and verified for blockchain. The Ethereum project's claim to fame is its so-called Oracle system, which is a recently launched product meant to improve processes made via blockchain. The article goes on to say the recent integration will allow for Chainlink and Ethereum smart contracts by extension to interact with BigQuery, Google's data analyzer and portal. There you go. I just wanted to drop that for you. Let you guys know that Chainlink is now on Coinbase Pro. Second article today is out of CoinDesk, and it's about self-proclaimed Bitcoin creator, Craig Wright, to take the stand in the Kleeman case. Wow. Craig Wright filed an intention to call witnesses at his upcoming deposition scheduled for June 28th, the latest update in the ongoing Kleeman vs. Wright lawsuit. Bitcoin's alleged creator called upon two expert witnesses, a fact witness and himself, to testify at the federal evidentiary hearing, which will begin at 9 a.m. This could potentially lead to Wright's cross-examination. Wright already faces the possibility of being placed in contempt of court at either the civil or criminal level for failing to disclose a full list of his Bitcoin holdings gained prior to December 31st of 2013. Per a court order, according to the plaintiff's representation, the in-chain chief scientist allegedly mined a hoard of more than 1.1 million Bitcoins with David Kleeman between 2009 and 2011, which are said to be stored in a tulip trust. Ira Kleeman is suing on behalf of his brother's estate for half of the fair market value of those coins, as well as rights to his brother's intellectual property. According to the court document, Brett Robertson, director of Alix Partners in Dallas, Texas, will provide sworn testimony regarding digital forensics and PGP signatures. Robertson's range of experience also covers detection of intellectual property theft, analysis of a computer user's actions over specific time periods, and recovery of deleted files, according to his CV. Wright previously said that the Tulip Trust is inaccessible due to a cryptographic scheme called Scheimer's secret sharing algorithm. A second witness, Kevin Madure, former IBM consultant and VP of cybersecurity, also will testify, and that will be regarding cryptography, cryptocurrencies, and blockchains as it pertains to this case. Steve Shatters, CTO of InChain, will testify as a fact witness. Shatters previously published a blog post titled On the Satoshiness of Dr. Craig S. Wright, where he argued that Wright is probably Satoshi Nakamoto. He writes based on his experience working with Wright, although he allegedly turned down the opportunity to view conclusive evidence. All right. Why would you turn that down? I don't understand. Anyway, so we'll see what happens. This is not going to be good. I think this guy is going to get in some huge trouble. He's crazy. He's delusional. And this just further proves that, in my opinion. So we'll have to see. Just mark that in your calendars, June 28th, to see what happens to Craig Wright at that court case. Last article is about Binance rolling out Bitcoin margin trading for all users, except US, of course. Binance is dead. Long live Binance 2.0, it says. Margin trading is being rolled out to all Binance users after it was first released on May 31st to selected users. And according to Binance CEO, this marks the launch of Binance 2.0, the company's newest version of its main exchange. CZ used the news to point out that Bitcoin is on a tear on price. Included with this new upgrade is an improvement to the speed of the exchange. CZ claimed users will be less likely to experience lag or other performance issues on the new version. He added the old version will soon be decommissioned. However, Binance fans were quick to point out that the margin trading was not available to everyone yet, with many posting screenshots that they were not yet invited. It turns out that CZ was getting ahead of himself, according to Binance PR. It has been a progressive rollout for the last 2 weeks and will be available for everyone next Tuesday. Margin trading on Binance is available for 5 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, XRP, Binance, Tron, and Ethereum. It currently offers 2 times leverage, with plans to increase this in the future. Additionally, an upgrade is coming to the Binance blockchain platform as well, known as Binance Chain, dubbed Galileo. It will introduce new features to Binance's blockchain platform, including the ability for validators to delist coins with low trading volumes. It will also enable tokens to be locked for periods of time on the Binance DEX, its non-custodial exchange. Galileo was introduced to the Binance Chain testnet this morning and will be rolled out to the mainnet in a few weeks. So that's your update for all the hot topics for today. It's been a crazy day, people. As you can see, we're starting to pull back big time. We'll again have to see on the close of that hour chart where we end up, and that will determine whether or not I feel like we're going to see a nice correction at this point. I'll update you guys tomorrow on that. If you have any questions, those who are in the trading room, you can always ping me there and I'll answer those when I can. But that's pretty much it for today, ladies and gents. I'm loving this song right here, Alpha One. Thanks for the song request, Flying Lotus, featuring Anderson .Paak. More. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell. Share this video, share this channel, help it grow, and I'm out of here, people. How?